If you've ever used Betfair and you're now trying to understand how to withdraw your money safely and correctly, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple, natural way so your viewers can follow along without confusion. Whether someone has just finished placing bets or they've been using the platform for a while and finally want to cash out, the withdrawal process is an important part of the experience because it's the moment where winnings or remaining funds move from the betting account back into a personal bank account or payment method. Before anything else, it's important to understand that withdrawals only work when your account is properly verified. This is something many users overlook at the beginning. Betting platforms are required to confirm identity for security and regulatory reasons, so before any money can be released, the system usually checks details like your name, your payment method, and sometimes proof of identity or address. If those details are not completed, the withdrawal may be delayed or temporarily restricted until everything is confirmed. So, in simple terms, the platform is designed to make sure the money is going to the right person. Once the account is verified, the withdrawal process generally starts from the main account balance. This balance is where all available funds sit after bets have been settled. If you've placed bets that are still active, those funds may not be available yet because they are considered in play until the outcome is decided. Only settled or unused funds can be withdrawn, so that's one of the first things users need to understand before trying to cash out. When someone decides to withdraw, the platform typically requires them to choose a preferred payment method. This is usually the same method used when depositing money because most financial systems prefer consistency for security reasons. It could be a bank transfer, debit card, or an approved e-wallet, depending on what is supported in your region. Once a method is selected, the system checks if it is eligible for withdrawals, and if it is, the request moves forward for processing. At this stage, users often wonder how long it takes for the money to arrive. The truth is that withdrawal times can vary. Some methods are faster than others. For example, e-wallets are often quicker, sometimes processing within a few hours, while bank transfers may take longer depending on the banking network and local processing systems. In some cases, it can take up to a few business days. Weekends and public holidays can also affect timing, so it's not always instant even when everything is working correctly. Another important detail is that betting platforms sometimes run internal security checks on withdrawals. This does not mean anything is wrong with your account. It is simply part of the system designed to prevent fraud and ensure safe transactions. If a withdrawal is flagged for review, it may be temporarily held until the system confirms that everything is legitimate. Once cleared, the funds are released automatically. For users who have multiple deposits and withdrawals over time, the system may also require that withdrawals go back through the original deposit method first. This is a standard financial rule, known as return to source, and it helps prevent misuse of payment systems. So, if someone deposited money using a specific card or bank account, the platform may send funds back to that same method before allowing alternative withdrawal options. Sometimes users also encounter limits. These limits can depend on account type, region, or payment provider. There may be minimum withdrawal amounts, meaning you cannot withdraw very small balances, and there may also be maximum limits per transaction. If someone is trying to withdraw a large amount, they might need to split it into multiple requests depending on platform rules. Another factor that affects withdrawals is currency. If your account is in a different currency than your bank account or payment method, conversion may take place automatically. This can slightly affect the final amount received due to exchange rates or conversion fees applied by financial institutions. It's always something users should be aware of when moving money across different currencies. From a user experience perspective, the withdrawal section is usually designed to be simple. Once inside the account area, users typically see their available balance and a withdrawal option. After selecting it, they're guided to choose a method, enter the amount they want to withdraw, and confirm the request. At that point, the system processes it in the background. Even though it feels instant on the user side, there are multiple verification steps happening behind the scenes. Security is a big part of the entire process. Platforms like Betfair use encrypted systems to protect financial data. This means bank details, card information, and identity documents are all stored securely. Users are also encouraged to keep their login details private, because unauthorized access could lead to withdrawal attempts that are not approved by the account owner. A common situation users experience is withdrawal delays. While this can be frustrating, it usually comes down to one of a few reasons. It could be pending verification, a mismatch in payment details, bank processing delays, or internal review checks. In most cases, it resolves automatically once the system completes its checks. If it takes longer than expected, support teams are usually available to investigate and provide updates. Another thing worth mentioning is responsible use. Financial platforms that involve betting are designed for adults and should be used carefully. Withdrawals are simply the final step of moving funds, but the larger experience involves financial risk, so users are always encouraged to manage their balance responsibly and avoid chasing losses. The safest approach is to treat withdrawals as part of normal financial handling, rather than something emotional or urgent. When everything is working smoothly, the overall withdrawal experience is quite straightforward. Funds are requested, the system processes them, and then the money arrives in the selected account. The exact timing depends on the method used, but the structure remains consistent across most users. Once you understand how verification, payment methods, and processing times work, the entire system becomes much easier to navigate. For anyone watching this as a tutorial, the key takeaway is that withdrawing money is not just a single-click action. It is a structured process involving identity confirmation, payment matching, and financial security checks. Each step is there to protect both the user and the platform. Once those conditions are met, the money transfer is usually smooth and reliable. So, in summary, whether someone is cashing out small winnings or withdrawing a larger balance, the process on Betfair follows the same core structure: verified account, available balance, chosen payment method, submission of withdrawal request, and then processing time depending on the system and banking provider. Understanding these steps helps users avoid confusion and sets the right expectations for how long the process may take and what factors might affect it. If this is being used for a video, the best way to present it is as a calm walkthrough rather than a fast or complicated procedure, because most users just want clarity and reassurance that their money will reach them safely once everything is correctly set up. Another thing users should keep in mind is that withdrawal methods can sometimes differ depending on the country you're accessing Betfair from. In some regions, certain payment options may be available, while others are restricted due to local banking regulations or licensing rules. This is why two users on the same platform might see slightly different withdrawal choices. If a preferred method doesn't appear, it doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong with the account. It usually just means that method isn't supported in that specific location. The system will only display options that are compatible with your account and region, so users are always limited to what is legally and technically allowed where they are based. It's also important to understand the role of processing queues during busy periods. At times when many users are withdrawing at once, such as weekends, major sporting events, or big betting seasons, requests can take a bit longer to process. Even though the request is submitted instantly, it still joins a queue with other transactions waiting to be verified and released. This is completely normal for platforms handling large volumes of financial activity. In most cases, the delay is not caused by an error, but simply by high demand. Once the queue clears, withdrawals continue as usual, and funds are released in order. Finally, users should always double-check their withdrawal details before confirming the request. Something as small as an incorrect account number, mismatched name, or outdated payment method can cause delays or even failed transactions. Taking a few extra seconds to confirm everything ensures the process runs smoothly from start to finish. Once the details are correct and the request is submitted, the system takes over and handles the rest automatically. At that point, the best approach is simply to wait for the processing to complete and for the funds to arrive in the selected account.